When it comes to replacing teeth in your mouth, you want to go to an expert. You want to go somewhere and get this done once and get it done right. And for that, you just don't go anywhere. You go to a periodontal reconstructive dentist. That's who my next guest is. This is Dr. Gregory Farber, and we're here at Buffalo Dental Implant. And doctor, when the name of your practice is Buffalo Dental Implant, this is pretty much what you do. This is your specialty.
Yeah, so 95% of what we do is periodontal reconstructive surgery and placing implants.
Now, there can be some misinformation about who needs a mini implant versus a standard. The standard implant is the one that will most likely be your permanent replacement and last a lifetime.
Yes, that's correct. There's a big difference between the two.
Tell us a little about that and how the standard is really much better for your patients.
Okay. Well, minis were originally designed as basically a implant that could be placed on people who had very little bone, and most often it was elderly people who had dentures that floated around and wanted to have something that could secure the denture. As far as the standard dental implants are designed to be the size of the tooth that it's being replaced. So minis are not a fit-all. Standard dental implants actually are various sizes according to the tooth that it's replacing.
But yet they are as easy to place for the patient as the mini dental implant procedure.
Correct.
Doctor, I noticed by looking at the standard dental implant, it looks like a much stronger anchor for the tooth.
Yes, the width of the standard dental implant is directly related to the size of the tooth it's replacing.
And you can also keep that area clean better, and it's a really terrific result.
There's a couple things about it. Mini dental implants, again, they were designed for certain things. When it comes to replacing a tooth, when you place a mini dental implant, the problem you have is that you have a tooth that sits and it does what's called ridge lap. It sits over the ridge as opposed to emerging out with what's called emergence profile. Emergence profile means that as it emerges out, you're capable of cleaning around the implant 360 degrees, and you have no undercuts or concave areas that are inaccessible with your standard hygiene tools.
So what we want people to know is that you can come on in, have a bad tooth removed, have a standard implant implanted in your mouth, and that pretty much is going to be your permanent fix. And not only that, but you're getting it done by an expert who has done thousands of these.
That's true.
Yeah, that's true. That is great. Also, doctor, if you choose a standard implant, we're also looking at a very quick procedure and no sedation.
That's correct. Standard dental implant, as much as one of the things out there is people tend to advertise and say minis are able to be placed and it's non-surgical and things like that, which actually isn't the case. Any implant is a titanium screw. It has to go through tissue into the bone. Standard dental implants are placed exactly the same way. Most of those can be placed actually without making incisions. Patient could be in, and that standard dental implant could be placed as little as 15 minutes. So advanced reconstructions, if you're getting into grafting and things like that, may take a little longer, but as far as the difference between what you're going through, not much different.
Can you still have a standard implant placed if you had a mini and didn't have good luck with it?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And that's important for a lot of people to know, because as young people get more implants, the standard is the one that's going to last for their natural life.
Correct.
Well, when it comes to the happiness of a patient who's had a standard dental implant from Dr. Farber, we might as well talk to Chantel, because she's smiling. She's got a smile that beams all across Cheektowaga this morning. Chantel, you're very happy with the work from Dr. Farber. What happened?
Oh, well, first off, I'm absolutely happy with his work. I'm really confident in what he's able to do. And the reason why I'm so happy is that I was a new patient here, never heard of Dr. Farber, and came in with a severe infection from a mini implant. And when I came into Dr. Farber's office, he looked at my situation, immediately was able to identify what the problem was, and he took control. He had a plan, put that plan in motion, and was able to have me walk out of his office feeling like a brand new person.
You probably didn't think that was going to happen after all the trouble you had had before.
Not at all. I was in so much pain. I had spent so much money, and I was extremely dissatisfied with the work that I had done at another dentist's office who claimed to specialize in mini implants. And coming here was such a difference. Dr. Farber is definitely the gold standard when it comes to regular implants, and there was no pain, and I am extremely happy with his work.
Well, I must say you have the most beautiful smile.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Thanks to Dr. Farber, because I was able to come in here, get the work done, and have a lot more confidence now walking out, and able to smile and be very grateful to Dr. Farber for his excellent work.
Make the right choice when it comes to your implants. Don't forget, Dr. Gregory Farber is right here on Walden Avenue at Buffalo Dental Implant. And you know what? He offers free consultation, and a lot of these patients are awful happy as they leave. Don't forget, you can find them on Facebook as well. Smile and love your new implants.